happily ever after. My name is Andy Siegel. I'm the senior litigating partner at Siegel & Coonerty. We're a personal injury and medical malpractice firm here in New York City. I once represented a woman, let's call her Mrs. Jones for the sake of this story. And at the time of trial, which was a heated trial, things went back and forth, but ultimately I got her a large recovery, $600,000. When the money came in and it cleared in my attorney IOLA account, which is where attorneys put the money until it clears and they disperse it to the clients, I called her up and I said, Mrs. Jones, come in and get your money. She comes to my office, she's in her Sunday clothes, looking beautiful, and she's carrying 2 suitcases. And I say, Mrs. Jones, why are you bringing those suitcases? I'm not giving you cash. She smiled, I smiled, and she said, oh, Mr. Siegel, you don't understand. I said, what don't I understand? I've known you for 4 years. Why don't you tell me? She said, well, you know that accident, I was a volunteer on a church bus. I said, yeah, I know that, Mrs. Jones. She goes, well, you also know I've never had any income. I said, I know. You volunteer at the church. You're a good woman. She goes, yes, but you should know something else. I said, what? She said, my husband has been beating me for 25 years. I said, no, I didn't know that, and I'm very sorry. I go, well, what's with the suitcases? She said, well, I'm going to take this money and I'm going to go somewhere where my husband can't find me. I said, where you going? She said, no, I'm not going to tell you. I don't want that. He should come here and you should know where I am. I said, well, I wouldn't tell him. She goes, I'm not going to tell you. I said, okay. I gave her her check. She looked at me with a tear in her eye. I got up. We gave each other a hug. I told her to be well. She said she would. And that's the last I ever saw of her. My name is Andy Siegel. Call 212-532-0532 if you have any questions. Sometimes cases resolve for money, for compensating injury, and that money's put to good use. Thank you.